Uh, yeah. Ballin'. Tryna get this paper. I don't see these haters. Feds, watch. I don't want a case. Stack this paper. Do this real estate. Ballin'. Feeling like a Laker. LA, crib. Yeah, right by the Lakers. Couple cribs. That's a lot of paper. Couple cribs. That's a lot of neighbors.
Flip Your Worth TV. What up, people? Back for another one. New day, new vlog, same hustle. You know the motto. So as you see behind me is a different house. You haven't seen this one yet. And you haven't seen this one yet because this is a brand new house. New project, just picked it up yesterday. And I'm about to give you guys a walkthrough of it right now. So let's take a look inside. I'm gonna show you what it's looking like and give you an idea of some of the things I'm about to do. So here we are inside. We're gonna run through this rather quickly because there's a lot that I wanna do, but I'm gonna try to summarize it. And in the future vids, we'll break this down more. So right now, this was the kitchen. I already have my guys in here demoing right now. It's like 6 o'clock in the evening. And these guys been working all day, but this was a kitchen. And I'll probably insert a picture of it right here. This way you can see the difference of what was there and what it looks like now. Obviously I had them gutted. This whole wall right here is gonna come out also because I want this to just be a whole open concept. So as soon as you walk in, this should be your living room over there. I'm actually gonna eliminate that window right there. Just make it all one straight wall because if you got your furniture there, you might wanna have your TV on that wall. We're gonna eliminate this wall right here, and there's gonna be an island that goes across, little countertop, bar stools, and this way you have a whole, like I said, you have a whole open concept. This should be your dining area right here. Now that window right there, I'm probably gonna take that out and put sliding glass doors for your access to the yard. Or I'm gonna leave that window there and put a door right here. I haven't decided on it yet, but I'm leaning more towards the sliding glass doors. So we going here. Here's one bedroom. It's actually pretty large. This is your third bedroom, or what's going to be the third bedroom. So I probably just put maybe 2 twin beds in here. Make it a nice space. Got your closet there. All through here is gonna be all premium laminate flooring. So it's gonna be in here, it's gonna be here, it's gonna be through the whole entire house, one consistent flooring. If you see my previous videos, you know I like that because one consistent flooring makes everything look bigger. That's a little dark in here. Let's see if I can get the light. There we go. Here's your first bedroom. Nice size as well. We got 3 windows, not needed. This window's gonna be gone. This window's gonna be gone. This one looks at the side of the house. And this one kind of faces the front door. It's like a weird way of having it. But as you see, that faces the front door. Oh, and all these bars, yeah, that's gonna be gone. This window faces the front, so we're gonna leave that. I'm gonna close, like I said, close this window, close this window. You had 2 closets here. This closet will be eliminated. We'll keep this closet here. Maybe expand it a little bit to make it a little bit bigger. But yeah, that's gonna be a closet. And the reason why this is being eliminated, because this is your bathroom and we're gonna push this wall back. So let's go around, get this light right here, and I'm gonna show you why that's being done. Hit the light in here, cool. So as you see, when you walk in, this is a better way to look at it. Here's your wall. Here's the door. The average cabinet is about 21 inches in depth. So you've already exceeded that. Now, prior, the cabinet was sticking out into the door. Obviously, that looks bad. You walking in the bathroom, you don't want to see that sticking out. So I wanted to push this whole wall back But being that they just did the demo today, I realized this pipe here is right there. I thought maybe it was running underground, not coming from there. So, or I thought it would be inside that wall over there. Either way, it's not. I don't really want to touch that because that starts getting expensive, and I'm trying to keep my costs low. So I'm gonna push this back. That will allow me to put the sink in this area. This whole area right here will be your sink, which then gives you all this space. If you see this bathroom right here, being that the toilet is staying there, that's very close. But you have a gap in space right here. So I'm actually gonna push the shower back to here. And that should stop the shower at about right here. So then you still have that space there. We'll do a little pony wall or a wall here. Put shelves in there. Here we go. Let's walk through here. That's the bathroom. Went over this dining area. So here in the kitchen, where's the light switch from here? Is it this one? Yeah, okay. So this is what we're doing in the kitchen. There was a pantry here. As you see, I just had it knocked out. You're gonna put the fridge here. It's gonna be a small cabinet here. You're gonna have your stove here, microwave above it, with a little cabinet at the top. On top of the fridge, we'll also have a cabinet. Then we'll have another cabinet here. This will be your cabinet where your sink is at, right in front of the window. And there will be another cabinet over here, which will probably be a corner cabinet because I want that to come and go this way. And that's gonna be your island. So it's actually a pretty big island. Give you a lot of cabinet space here. Have a nice little countertop, overhang right there. Give you some more space. So now when you're standing in your kitchen, we'll have cabinets here, right here. And I'll probably have a corner cabinet up here as well. But now when you're in your kitchen, which when you look at that picture I put up, there was once a wall right here. And it was the fridge here. And whatever else was over here, fridge, stove, everything. It was just a whole wall of cabinets. Now that's gonna be all completely wiped out. And we're gonna remove that gas line. We just go all electric. But you have that whole open flow. So now it makes the space feel a lot bigger than what it felt like before. Because before it felt really closed off. If I do it like that, it's a lot better because now it feels so much more open. Before, with the cabinets and the wall there, it kind of felt closed off, and it's already not a big house as it is. So I'm gonna do it like that to make it feel more spacious, because the more spacious a house feels, obviously the bigger the house feels, even if it's the same square footage. So keep that in mind if you didn't know that. That's why so many people like the open concept, because it makes everything in the house feel bigger. So I'm gonna show you more. We're gonna go to what now is the garage apartment the previous owner did, but I'm actually gonna eliminate that and turn that into the master suite. Because as you see right now, what I just showed you is 2 bedrooms. This house technically is only 2 bedrooms with 1 bath. And when you're trying to resell, that's not really an easy thing to sell. I mean, you can sell it, but it's always easier to sell a 3-2 than a 2-1. So I'm gonna show you right now what the future master suite is gonna look like. Go through here. Oh, another thing that's gonna happen. This was the laundry room before I get to the master suite. This was the laundry room. This is all being gutted. Still gonna have your wash and dryer there, but we're gonna build a closet, box that in. This door right here is gonna be completely closed off because this is now gonna be the entrance area to your master suite. So I'm gonna explain that to you. That's also why I said I was putting the sliding glass doors or back door over here, because we're gonna eliminate this door right here. But let's go through here. Let's see if I can take you into the garage suite. Okay, so here's the what is now the garage apartment, but what I'm going to convert into the master suite. First thing I need to do is we need to actually raise the floor because this initially was a garage, so the floor is actually a little bit lower than the rest of the house. So we're gonna raise this floor about 6 inches, put hardy board on the top. This whole wall right here will be completely eliminated. This whole closet, this whole thing right here will be completely wiped out so that this is all one large open space. And here they had a kitchen, that's gonna be gone. Utility rooms where your water heater is, but this is gonna be changed because there won't be an entrance through here. When we push this wall in, that's going to become the entrance, but it's gonna be on the other side of that wall. This is also gonna be an opening here for you to have your doorway into the master, which if you saw before when we was on the other side, that was the wall where the laundry room was at. So this will be your opening, this will be bumped out a little further, and this door will be eliminated. But then yeah, so if you look at it from this angle, you see this whole wall gone. This is all gonna be open. This will all be a master suite. And like I said, we'll raise the floor, carpet in here, and it's gonna be nice large master. Get rid of these cabinets, of course. I'm probably gonna relocate the master closet to this area right here. So we'll probably close this window and just build a closet from here all the way to there with just shelves and a whole bunch of racks. Here is your master bath, which is terrible because you gotta climb up steps. So this might be a little headache, but this is gonna have to be eliminated. Get rid of the shower. Probably have to put a brand new one in here. Well, not probably, definitely gonna put a brand new one in here. I might just do a pre-built shower because this just ain't cutting it. I hate the fact that it's elevated. So I'm gonna have to call my plumber and figure out what we're gonna do here because this elevated, walking up steps to go to your master bath is extremely tacky. So yeah, that's it. That's a summary of the new project. I actually have to do a whole nother video and show you how the outside and what I plan to do out there because there's a lot of work that needs to be done on the exterior of the project as well. But we'll get to that. I'll show you that. But for now, for this video, it's a wrap. Subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you for tuning in. Flip Your Worth TV. I'll holler at you in the next one.